As a teacher, you need to make your lessons interactive and attractive in order to prevent boredomness in class. Using games are one of the most effective way of making your lessons interactive. Now, let us look at how to use a sound number match to teach your child or your children how to identify numbers. So in this particular game, you are supposed to allow the child to stand in front of the numbers. Where you stand behind the child, use a container or anything that produces sound. Now you stand behind the student with the container. The numbers are placed on a table in front of the child. You now hit your metal or bowl or whatever you are using to produce the sound, the number of times you want. Allow the child to count the number of times you hit the metal in his or her mind, after which he or she is allowed to identify the number of times that you hit the metal or your object on the table.
Don't watch. All right.
Now you see how lovely and interactive this activity is. So this activity does not just teach your child how to identify numbers. It also teaches your child how to pay attention or concentrate using their auditory organs. This can also lead to an effective listening of lessons in class or during instructions.